Hey, welcome to the Mini Podcast. Today, we will discuss how much the eFormula program costs. Let's go. Aidan Booth and Steve Clayton are two e-commerce business entrepreneurs. They created this upcoming eFormula system to teach people how to build successful online stores using their tested business model. This training program provides a step-by-step system to help individuals launch successful e-commerce businesses without experience. Aidan Booth and Steve Clayton are experts in e-commerce, online marketing, and software development. They realized many people needed help starting an online business and wanted to share their knowledge and shortcuts through the eFormula program. Their goal is to make e-commerce success possible for anyone willing to put in the effort using their proven 5-step framework. The eFormula program aims to provide aspiring entrepreneurs with the strategies and tools to build profitable e-commerce businesses. It focuses on finding winning products, identifying reputable suppliers, creating high-converting online stores, driving targeted traffic, and scaling using automation. Understanding the eFormula business model. The eFormula program teaches students how to launch successful e-commerce businesses using a unique dropshipping model. Dropshipping allows online sellers to list products for sale without actually stocking inventory. When an order is placed, the seller buys the item from a third-party supplier or factory, and then ships it directly to the customer. eFormula aims to eliminate common pain points of traditional dropshipping, such as long shipping times and poor quality products, through its sourcing methods. eFormula teaches students to source high-quality products from US-based suppliers that can ship quickly to customers. This results in a superior buying experience. Additionally, eFormula emphasizes finding winning products using data-driven methods, building brand authority sites, and scaling through social media ads. By leveraging automation and proven e-commerce techniques, students can build highly profitable online stores without handling inventory or shipping. With the program's help, dropshipping stores can be launched with a long-term track record of success. Breaking down the eFormula cost. The eFormula program costs $3,497 if you pay in a single payment. This price includes the following components outlined in the step-by-step eFormula system for setting up a profitable e-commerce business. This contains training modules, video lessons, case studies, AI software, and more. Access to the eFormula private community and forum for connecting with other members. Done-for-you services like store setup, product sourcing, and marketing campaigns to accelerate your business. Bonus training programs like eFormula live recordings, valued at $3,997, and 7-figure scaling secrets, valued at $4,997. The core eFormula system and training are valued at $1,997. So, the additional services, bonuses, and done-for-you assets make up the remaining cost. Overall, the $3,497 price tag reflects the comprehensive nature of the program. Payment and financing options. The price of eFormula is $3,497, but only if you pay for the whole program at once. Some users may need help paying the big sum simultaneously. In that case, you can choose the monthly payment plan of $997 for 4 months. The eFormula cost is $3,497 for the course if you pay upfront. But you can also go with their payment plan, where you make for payments of $997 over 4 months. Opting for the installment plan slightly increases the total cost compared to the one-time payment. The payment plan allows you to get started with the program for a lower initial investment. It can significantly improve affordability if you need more funds for a total payment. However, paying the lump sum upfront can save you a few $100s in total coaching fees. Consider your financial situation and choose the payment method that you are most comfortable with. Click the link in the description area for more details about the eFormula. Additional startup cost considerations. While the eFormula program has a set cost, other expenses exist to factor in when starting an e-commerce business. Here are some of the significant additional costs to budget for. Store hosting. To launch your online store, you'll need web hosting, which can cost $25 as $100 per month, depending on the plan. Mentors suggest using the cost-effective Cartsy platform, which built tools inside. Or use popular platforms like Shopify, Wix, or WooCommerce plugins for WordPress. Domain registration. You'll need to buy a custom domain name for your store, typically costing $10-15 annually. Popular registrars include Namecheap, GoDaddy, and Cloudflare domains. Payment processing. You'll need a merchant account and payment gateway to accept payments, which can have monthly fees of $25 $100, depending on transaction volume. Popular options are Stripe and PayPal. Marketing. Paid advertising and marketing are crucial for getting traffic and sales. Budget at least $300, $500 per month as a starting point for platforms like Facebook ads, Google ads, influencer marketing, etc. Business licensing. Depending on your location, you may need a reseller's permit or sales tax license to operate legally, costing $50, $100 annually. Software. For inventory management, order tracking, etc., you may need e-commerce software like Shopify, $29, $2.99 per month, or plugins for WordPress stores like WooCommerce. The Cartsy platform offers inbuilt features at zero additional costs. Initial inventory. Buying initial inventory could range from a few hundred to several $1,000s depending on the products you sell. So, in addition to the core eFormula program cost, plan on an extra minimum budget of $500 to $1,000 per month for these startup expenses and business operations costs. The exact amount depends mainly on your specific business model and scale. Analyzing the value of money. The eFormula program is a considerable investment, so it's natural to wonder if you get good value for your money. According to user testimonials and reviews, most users found the program worthwhile, given the earning potential it unlocks. For instance, Steve Clayton mentions how students following the program can build successful stores that generate $10,000 or more in monthly profits. The program equips you with proven strategies to create automated and passive income from e-commerce. Compared to the potential six-figure income possible annually, the one-time investment in the program can deliver an excellent ROI. However, success ultimately depends on how well you implement the training. The mentor's previous course reviews mentioned students making $20,000 or more within the first few months. The eFormula course is designed to provide immense value via 8 modules of step-by-step training videos, case studies, PDFs, live coaching calls, ad management software, AI tools, and more. The value unlocked from their knowledge and tools justifies the investment cost. Compared to other programs, the eFormula program has a unique pricing model compared to other popular e-commerce training programs. For example, the total cost is $3,497. This includes access to the training course and done-for-you services like store setup and product sourcing. They focus more on providing training and education without additional services. This total payment investment may be cheaper for small business owners than the high startup costs of other providers' all-inclusive packages. The eFormula program tries to give users better value for their money. Is the eFormula worth the investment? When analyzing the cost of the eFormula program, it's important to assess the potential value you get in return. According to eFormula Reviews and Bonus, the core program costs $3,497. However, this cost includes 8 training modules, a private community forum, and lifetime access to software tools. Based on user reviews, the step-by-step training and ongoing support provide tremendous value for e-commerce beginners. Compared to alternatives, the cost is quite competitive. As per eFormula Review and Bonuses, similar e-commerce training programs can cost over $5,000. Given the comprehensive nature of the training, many students believe the program delivers a strong return on investment. The course aims to take you from a beginner to running a profitable online business. Considering the potential earnings from a successful e-commerce store, the upfront investment in eFormula can pay for itself quickly. Overall, the cost seems well justified for those serious about starting an online business based on the content provided. Of course, results ultimately depend on how well you apply the training. However, many reviews suggest the value received exceeds the investment. Conclusion. The eFormula program requires a considerable upfront investment, but the potential return could far exceed the initial costs if implemented successfully. Based on entrepreneurs' success stories, the program provides tremendous value through its step-by-step training, mentorship opportunities, and proven business model. However, aspiring entrepreneurs should carefully evaluate their financial situation before enrolling. For readers still trying to decide whether eFormula is the right fit, I recommend thoroughly researching the program details and costs on the official website. Speaking to past members can also provide more insights into the value derived from the program. eFormula seems like a worthwhile investment for motivated individuals seeking an e-commerce home run, but guarantees of easy money should be taken with a grain of salt. Consistent effort over time is required to build a profitable online business. Visit the link in the description to read more in-depth eFormula reviews. Thank you for listening to this mini podcast. Please stay tuned for more updates.